But there's only 4 godsticks left, right, Toro? I'm sure we should be searching ki konei, ki konei hoki.
No, this one was definitely all the way down at the bottom. I remember saying how far it was.
So, is this mawhera or kawatiri? And is this o te poti or waihopai?
All I know is it's further than I have ever imagined.
Where do we start?
Te tai Rāwhiti.
And then?
I guess we'll just have to check all of those places.
All of them? You mean walk around the whole motu?
My Uncle Benji said he had a friend once who hiked around the whole country. It took him 4 months.
Just thinking about all this walking makes me tired and hungry.
Someone say food?
Hoake, let's go!
Oh, when we look at our environment, we feel koanga. We feel a time of hope, of new growth and new beginnings. But remember, not everything that grows is for eating. It holds the things we wished for and the things we dreamed about over Maperiki. The sprouts from these dreams grow, and our winter planning is ready for us to put into action.
I was born ready. Let's go.
Get though, Josh.
Slow down. We've been slowly planning all winter.
All of this is part of your journey, Josh. Nau mai enga hua o te kaupeka nei. Nau mai koanga kia mato, kia mataora. Hui e, tai ki e.
Yeah, so 4 godsticks and maybe 8 different places to look.
It's going to be a lot of walking.
You go here first. Tahi and I will go here, and then we will meet you there.
What's the matter, girl? It's all good. It's just an old waka. Kia kaha e hine?
Josh?
Oh, where? Kei te pai koe, Josh? Can you sit up?
I could have a concussion.
No, you're fine.
And I've got it. We don't have to walk. We can travel by waka.
Excellent idea, Josh. Yes, excellent.
Woohoo! Woo!
Ooh, come along then. Let's find the best waka for this journey.
Rangi and I can easily drag this to the water.
There's not much room for supplies.
Wakatiwai. You do need to move quickly, but calm. Oh, no. Wakatiwai are fine for the rivers, fast for racing, but no, they're not right for this journey.
This one has plenty of room.
Ah, yes. Wakatete. A very solid and versatile waka. It's as sound in the sea as it is in the river, and plenty of room. Taiwa. This is too slow for our quest. Much better for fishing or trading.
Miharo! This is the one. Strong, streamlined, and so beautiful.
Oh, yeah! This is the kind of waka great warriors travel in.
True. This is a beautiful and powerful waka. A great rākau of Tāne was chosen for this waka.
So, what are we waiting for then?
This wakataua is certainly fit for a quest such as ours. Fast and strong. But no.
No?
No, but it's strong and fast.
And beautiful.
Yes, true. But it's much too big for this rōpū. Follow me. I have just the waka.
Here, there.
Yes, this one.
But it's so old. It looks like it was around when Maui pulled up to Ika Maui.
This was your waka, Toro?
This waka has been on many journeys with me. It's been true and steadfast. Its Māori makes it at one with the sea. She will take care of you. And you'll need to take very good care of her.
Of course we will. We're honored.
That's gotta be the coolest wakahauru I've seen. No lies. Food. I bet it's seen some epic adventures.
And who are you?
Ai, ko wai koe.
Tēnā koe, great toinga. My rangatira, waru, and iwa totally rate your wisdom, and they say Toro is a tohunga of great mana and knowledge. He knows stuff.
Tēnā koe.
And you've got to be kura. My aunties reckon your beauty's only outdone by your boss-level leadership. And rangi. Your warrior skills are straight up legendary. All my cousins can't stop gassing up your moves. Oh, no, that's Hikuroa. My name is Tiare Kahanui. I'm from a small yet magnificent rohe, just up the coast. It's the max honor to meet yous.
Kia ora e hoa. My name's Josh. And my
I
mother
bet
is...
you're wondering why a great voyager like myself is here.
No, actually we weren't wondering that.
As if I am a pet.
I was gonna see my cousins down the line, and I heard about your quest.
So you dropped by to wish us luck?
I don't drop things, my friend. I'm super coordinated and stuff.
Super full of it, you mean?
I can help you with expert navigation and sailing skills.
I thought that you were on your way somewhere.
Yeah, but we're going the same way, right?
You're going to Te Rāwhiti too?
Exactly.
Nah, we're going to other places too.
Oh, yeah? Where else? I have loads of cousins to visit. Whoa, this is just like the waka my uncle took back to Hawaii Nui.
Really?
For sure, he taught me everything he knew. I fly across the water like the wind.
So you heard I was a warrior?
Yeah, sure. Hey, want me to show you the knots my uncle taught me?
Couldn't sleep either, girl. I can't believe we're just gonna let that guy come on our quest. He hasn't even trained. You're not trying to chase more again.
Tai Rāwhiti.
Make